Hi guys! Today, Hidemyacc will guide you on how to use JavaScript code command when creating automation scripts. With this command, you can import code to perform your desired actions. You can either upload a file containing the code or write your own code here. Hidemyacc will upload a text file containing the code. Click here to see the details. Here is an example of code that changes the background color and take any text on the page. You click on Run in Page to make the code run in the currently open browser. Another example is a code that opens a new random website in the background of the app. Hidemyacc randomly selects one of 3 sites: Google, Etsy, and Amazon. Next, you can add wait commands and link them together. Click on the 3 dashes to rearrange the script and run a test. After running the automation script, click on Debug. Hidemyacc will return the result as a string. Next, give your script a name and tag it. Click Save to save it in your script repository. So, Hidemyacc has guided you on how to use JavaScript code command. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to Hidemyacc's YouTube channel so you don't miss important information. If you have any further questions, feel free to contact Hidemyacc's team through Facebook, Telegram, Skype, or WhatsApp. Wishing you all success!